शॉर्ट फॉर्म इन राइटिंग ऑल्सो, हम राइटिंग के लिए भी शॉर्ट फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं. ओके, आर्यन, अगर आर्यन है तो हम आर्यन को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? हाउ डू वी राइट इन शॉर्ट? एपोस्ट्रोफी एम. ओके, आर्यन है तो हम आर्यन को शॉर्ट में कैसे लिखेंगे? एपोस्ट्रोफी एम. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. इज है ना, इज है, IS इज है. सो हाउ डू वी राइट इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म? एपोस्ट्रोफी S. ओके, अगर R है, ARER, सो हाउ डू वी राइट इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म? एपोस्ट्रोफी RE. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नॉट, अगर नॉट है ना, नेगेटिव सेंस वर्ड है नॉट, सो हाउ डू वी राइट इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म? एन apostrophe T. Okay, and apostrophe T. Okay, understood? C, iron. So the short form of iron is, the short form of iron is apostrophe M. The short form of iron is apostrophe M. Okay, for example, I am a student. Okay, is है ना, the short form of is apostrophe S. The short form of is apostrophe S. For example, he's jumping, she's cooking. Okay, next, it's very hot today. Okay, next, R. The short form of R is apostrophe RE. Okay, the short form of R is apostrophe RE. For example, you are printer, we are busy doing homework, you are playing, they are playing tennis. Okay, understood? ऐसे ही है ना, इस नॉट के लिए है ना शॉर्ट फॉर्म जो है isn't. ओके, हम प्रोनाउंस कैसे करेंगे? isn't, है ना. ओके, IS and apostrophe T, isn't. Aren't, wasn't, weren't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, can't, don't, doesn't. Okay, understood? She isn't going to the school. They aren't happy. He wasn't in the school. We weren't talking. They haven't a house. The girl hasn't gone. They hadn't reached the mountain. Penguins can't fly. We don't like noise. She doesn't learn. Okay, understood now? Short forms. See, I am. अगर am है तो हम apostrophe am लिखेंगे. Okay, the short form of am is apostrophe am, and the short form of is apostrophe S, and the short form of R is apostrophe R is, and the short form of not is an apostrophe T. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this lesson. See you in the next